Welcome to BK Gardens. Hope you're doing great. Today I want to talk to you guys about following the sun and flexible garden design. Three of the biggest factors for a successful garden are: number one, sun. It's foundational, gives all the energy for photosynthesis, and then access to water, and then soil. Here we do a lot of composting to get our soil in really good shape and amend the soil. Those are, if you can control those factors and create an optimal growing environment, there's nothing you can't grow. But hey, if you don't have enough sun, you're not going to have that much options to grow a wide variety of plants or vegetables or fruit. So here in Brooklyn, we have a lot of structural blocks. We have these apartments all around, which, hey, like in the back of my garden right here, I'm sitting in, it's around 9 a.m. We get great sun back here with my sun gold tomato, but this will be shady in about 3 hours, and then it'll be shady for the rest of the day. My hack for 25 bucks that has worked really well over the last 3 years is putting my planters and pots on a simple plywood with a dolly underneath. This is super easy, makes it easy to move. So what they'll do is I'll keep my sun golds, sun-loving plants, like on here, and then what I'll do is I'll keep them here in the morning. It goes from 3 hours of possible sunlight to 7 to 9 hours of sun. Very easy to do, doesn't cost a lot of money, greatly expands your growing possibilities. Now, if you're in the suburbs and you're on grass, you can just switch over to a wagon. Here's our beach wagon for our beach gear, which we take to the Rockaways. This is now using it for moving around some sunflowers, which I'm growing, and some other flowers, which I'm growing to attract pollinators. Very easy to do. Greatly increase your growing sun. And really, once you have like 5+ hours of sun, there's not a lot of plants that you can't grow. If you have questions or suggestions, please hit me up with comments. I want to hear how you're doing it better, cheaper, easier. From BK Gardens, remember, garden in place. If this was helpful at all, please hit like or subscribe. Remember, as John and Paul once sang, follow the sun. See you soon.